Welcome to Drosophila by the fly killers. Here are the wild types. They are a family with light bodies and red eyes. And here are their next door neighbors, the bees. They are a family of mutants with dark bodies and black eyes. Each family has children and the children fall in love. There were two crosses between the neighbors, Cross A and Cross B. For Cross A, 6 wild-type boys married 6 Phi girls and they had children. This is the P cross. All of the 50 kids, 26 boys and 24 girls, look like their dads with red eyes and a light body. We're going to call these kids the F1s. Now, remember that in a Drosophila world, anything can happen. The brothers and sisters then fall in love with one another, which we will call the F1 cross, and they have kids. This time the kids were different from one another. There are 146 boys and 142 girls with red eyes and a light body, 22 boys and 23 girls with red eyes and a dark body, 22 boys and 24 girls with black eyes and a light body, and 27 boys and 30 girls with black eyes and a dark body. These kids are known as the F2s. For Cross B, 6 wild-type girls married 6 V boys and they had children. This is the P cross. All of the 64 kids, 38 boys and 26 girls, look like their moms with red eyes and a light body. We will once again call these kids F1s. The brothers and sisters then fall in love with one another again, which we will call the F1 cross, and they have kids. This time the kids were different from one another as well. There are 105 boys and 154 girls with red eyes and a light body, 22 boys and 13 girls with red eyes and a dark body, 10 boys and 16 girls with black eyes and a light body, and 25 boys and 24 girls with black eyes and a dark body. These kids are known as the F2s. Remember that the P generation for Cross A was between the wild-type males and the V mutant females. All of their kids, the F1s, look like the wild types. The F2s were a combination of red eyes and light bodies, red eyes and dark bodies, black eyes and light bodies, and black eyes and dark bodies. The P generation of Cross B was between the wild-type females and the V mutant males. All of their kids, the F1s, look like the wild types. Like Cross A, the F2s were a combination of red eyes and light bodies, red eyes and dark bodies, black eyes and light bodies, and black eyes and dark bodies. Looking at the F1 generation in both crosses, we know that the V mutant gene has to be autosomal recessive. It's autosomal because the mutant gene does not favor one sex over the other. It is recessive because the mutant phenotype is not observed in the F1 generation, only the wild-type phenotype is. Knowing that the mutant genotype's mode of inheritance is autosomal recessive, we can determine the genotypes of the flies. E+ refers to the phenotype red eyes, E is black eyes, B+ is a light body, and B is a dark body. Our expected ratio for the F2 phenotypes is 9:3:1. However, we got a 66:10:10:13 and 70:9:7:13 ratio. This led us to believe that we had gene linkage. To confirm this, we ran a chi-square analysis. Our chi-square value for Cross A is 12.251, and our chi-square value for Cross B is 17.215. We then determined our p-value from our chi-square value. The p-value for both crosses is greater than 0.05, which means that there is no independent assortment. Therefore, we can conclude that the eye and body color genes are linked on the same chromosome. This experiment ran smoothly with no major complications. This has been a Fly Killers production. Thanks for watching.